Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. We are very happy you are here today because today we are going to talk about something that many English learners struggle with every day. The title of today's episode is English Vocabulary Pronunciation. Many learners learn new vocabulary words. They write them in notebooks. They memorize their meanings. But when it comes to pronouncing those words clearly, they feel unsure or confused.
Hello, dear learners from all around the world. I'm David, and Emma is absolutely right. Vocabulary is very important when learning English, but pronunciation is just as important. If you know many words but you pronounce them incorrectly, people may not understand you easily, and that can make communication difficult.
Yes, and many learners tell us that they feel embarrassed when they mispronounce a word. Sometimes they even stop speaking because they are afraid of saying a word incorrectly. But we want to tell you something important today. Pronunciation improves with practice, listening, and repetition.
Exactly. Nobody speaks perfectly at the beginning. Even native speakers sometimes pronounce words differently depending on their accent or region. What matters most is practicing pronunciation regularly so that your speech becomes clearer and more natural.
Today, we will talk about how to practice vocabulary pronunciation, and we will also practice several common English words together so you can improve your speaking confidence.
Emma, let's start with a simple question. Why do many learners find English pronunciation difficult?
One reason is that English spelling and pronunciation are often different. Sometimes a word looks simple when written, but its pronunciation can surprise learners.
That's true. For example, the word knife is spelled with a K, but the K is silent, so we pronounce it knife.
Another example is the word hour. Even though the word begins with the letter H, the H is silent and we pronounce it hour.
This is why listening is extremely important when learning vocabulary. When you learn a new word, you should not only read it, but also listen to how it is pronounced.
Let's practice a few common vocabulary words together. Dear learners, try to repeat the words after us.
First word, comfortable.
Many learners pronounce it slowly as comfortable, but native speakers usually say comfortable.
Now repeat, comfortable.
Great! Now another word, vegetable.
Some learners pronounce every letter, but in natural speech it sounds more like vegetable.
Repeat after us, vegetable.
Very good. Let's try another common word, interesting.
Instead of pronouncing every syllable, native speakers often say interesting.
Repeat after us, interesting.
Excellent!
Emma, many learners ask us how they can practice pronunciation every day.
There are several simple methods. One very effective method is listening and repeating. When you hear a new word, pause the audio and repeat the word several times.
Another method is speaking sentences using the new word.
For example, if you learn the word comfortable, you can say, "This chair is very comfortable."
Or, I like wearing comfortable shoes when I travel.
Using vocabulary in sentences helps your brain remember both the meaning and the pronunciation.
Let's practice a short conversation using some vocabulary words.
David, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I stayed at home, read an interesting book, and watched a movie.
That sounds nice. I also had a comfortable and relaxing weekend. I spent some time learning new vocabulary and practicing pronunciation.
That's great. Learning vocabulary becomes much easier when you practice speaking the words.
Dear learners, another great way to practice pronunciation is describing the things around you.
For example, if you are sitting in a room, you can describe objects around you.
You might say, "This room is quiet and comfortable. There is a large table and a bright window."
Or, I am sitting on a comfortable chair and practicing English pronunciation.
These small exercises train your brain to use vocabulary naturally.
Now let's talk about a very common mistake learners make.
Many learners focus only on reading vocabulary, but they never practice saying the words aloud.
Yes, they learn words silently, but when they try to speak, they feel unsure about pronunciation.
That is why we always recommend saying new words out loud several times.
Let's practice another set of words together. Repeat after us.
Restaurant.
Many learners say restaurant, but it usually sounds like restaurant.
Now repeat. Restaurant.
Next word, library.
It sounds like library.
Repeat, library.
Excellent.
Emma, I remember one learner who improved his pronunciation in a very creative way.
Really? What did he do?
Every day, he recorded himself speaking English. Then he listened to the recording and compared it with native speakers.
That is a fantastic method because it helps learners hear their own pronunciation.
After a few months, his pronunciation improved dramatically because he practiced consistently.
Dear learners, remember that pronunciation improvement takes time, patience, and practice.
Do not worry if you cannot pronounce every word perfectly.
What matters is that people understand you clearly.
Practice new vocabulary daily. Listen carefully and repeat words confidently.
The more you practice pronunciation, the more natural your English will sound.
Thank you so much for learning with us today and spending time improving your English vocabulary pronunciation.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid of trying new words.
We will see you again in the next episode of our English Learning Podcast.
Until then, take care and continue practicing English every single day.